Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Cash App card if lost. First, log into your Cash App account, tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Support. Use the search bar and type Lost Card. Tap the article that appears. It will guide you through the process. Return to the home screen and tap the Cash Card tab. Tap Cash Card Support, then choose Report Your Card. Select card missing, stolen, or compromised, depending on your situation. Enter the required information and submit it to the Cash App support. If your card can't be found, they'll help you lock it and request a replacement. And that's it. That's how to find Cash App card if lost. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.